All right, welcome to our cursive lesson 20. Make sure you put your heading on first, always. Your name, number, date, first and last in cursive. Our directions: trace each letter and use the dots provided to practice writing each letter. So today we're working on capital B and capital H. So B is similar to P and R, which we did in the last lesson. H is similar to K, which we've done previously. Okay, so for B, we're going to start at that starting dot, slant up just like the letter P, slant down, retrace up, and we're going to loop. You can go and touch the line like as you do with the P and the R, or you can loop right here and go down, touch the line. And if you notice, there's another little line here because we're going to make a tail that comes across to connect to the next letter. Okay. Now you can make the loop here, or you can have it go touch just like you do with the P and the R. That's what I'm going to do on this next one. Starting dot, slant up, slant down to the bottom, retrace up, curve around, curve around. Then once it touches a line, we're going to bring a line across and get ready to connect to the next letter. All that we write without lifting our pencil. Starting dot, slant up, slant down, retrace, curve around, touch the line, come across. Starting dot, slant up, slant down, retrace. Make sure you touch the top when you curve around. Make your loop, curve around, touch the line, come across. Starting dot, slanting up to the top, slant all the way to the bottom, retrace. I'm going to curve around. You can choose to touch or make your loop here. Curve around. When you touch, you come across. That one looks a little messy, but that's okay. We're still working on these. Slant up, slant down, retrace, curve around, make your loop, curve around, touch, and come across. Starting dot, slant up, slant down, retrace, curve around, make your loop, curve around, touch, come across. Starting dot, slant up, slant down, retrace, curve, make your loop, curve, touch, and come across. Okay, let's trace some more. Get a little more practice in with our B's. Starting dot, slant up, slant down, retrace, curve around, make your loop, curve around, touch, come across. Starting dot, slant up, slant down, retrace, make your loop, curve around, touch, come across. Make sure the top of the B is touching that top line. Starting dot, go to the top, slant down, retrace, make sure your loop touches that top, that circle, make your loop, circle, touch, come across. Starting dot, slant up, slant down, retrace, touch the top, make your curve, loop, curve, touch, come across. Okay. Starting dot, slant up, slant down, retrace, loop, make your curve, touch, come across. Starting dot, slant up, slant down, retrace, curve, make your loop, curve, touch the line, come across. Starting dot, up, slant down, retrace, loop, curve, touch the line, come across. starting dot, slant up, slant down, retrace, make your circle, loop, circle, touch, come across. Alright, now on to our letter H's. H is similar in K to K is that we're going to lift up our pencil to make the rest of it. So the first part, just like the K, starting dot, we're going to curve to the top, slant all the way to the bottom. And we're going to pick up our pencil, go over somewhere over here, but instead of going toward the line, we're going to go straight down. Then we're going to retrace up just a little bit, curve, make a loop that touches that first line, and loop around. So now this is going to connect to the next letter. So starting dot, I'm going to curve, touch the bottom, pick up your pencil, start here. I'm going to go straight down, retrace up, then we're going to loop around, make sure that loop touches that first line, and then comes across. Starting dot, all the way down, pick up your pencil, down, retrace up, loop around. Starting dot, make sure it touches the bottom, slants down. Okay, find a place to start up here, go all the way down, retrace up a little bit, and make your loop to touch that first line. Okay, so we're going to starting dot, curve up to the top, slant down, pick up your pencil, find a place over here, slant down, retrace up a little bit, curve, make that loop, it's got to touch that first line, and then come across. Your pencil should not lift up on the second line till you finish that loop. You're going to curve up all the way down, pick up your pencil, go down, back up a little bit, loop around, touch that first line, come across. Okay, starting line, down, pick up your pencil, go down, retrace up, loop around, back toward that line, come across. Starting line, slant down, then you pick up your pencil, down, retrace up just a little bit, loop around, come across. Okay, here, I'm going to trace up, go all the way down. Okay, then we're going to pick up our pencil, down, retrace up a little bit, loop around, touch that first line, come across. Starting dot, go up, slant down, pick up your pencil, slant down, retrace up, loop around, come across. Starting dot, slant down, come over here, slant down, retrace up, make your loop, come across. Make sure that loop touches that first line. Starting dot, curve up, slant down, pick up your pencil, slant down, retrace up, loop around, touch that line, come across. Starting dot, curve up, slant down, pick up your pencil, slant down, retrace up, loop around, touch that first line, come across. Starting dot, loop up, come down, start dots, and slant down, retrace up, loop around, touch that first line, come across. Curve up, slant down, pick up your pencil, slant down, retrace up a little bit, loop around, touch that first line, come across. Starting dot, we're going to slant up, slant down, pick up your pencil, slant down, retrace up, curve around, touch that first line, come across. Alright, go ahead and turn over to the back side of this and continue practicing your B's and H's, the capitals here. And thank you for joining me.